ULesufi uthi bamakhulu alikhomba abafundi abangakatholi inkhala zokufunda eGauteng. Uthi namhlanje abanye ababelethi babhalelwe ukuya emsebenzini ngombana bararwe bentwana.
There are some parents that are supposed to be at work, they are at home, taking care of the children that we could not conclude to place, or children that still need to get to school.
Kodwana uthembise ababelethi bona umraro lo baphezukwawo uthi izolo abakalali basebenze ubusuku Boke.
And I want to assure parents that the 700 that we need to place at the department, we are putting a firm commitment that we'll place them before the end of January.
Kulinganiswa kubafundi abayi 10,000 abathume ukuzihlolisa namhlanje.
We know every year, because of the online, we know every year that we will be having about 10,000 of applicants that will come in January to say we need space. So we will normally plan for them. That's why we said let's avail the schools that have space so that they're in a position to accommodate those that are coming late.
Sifunda seGauteng isishugulule iinkolo ezibomakhamba ngendlwana senza iinkolo zemakhiwo lapho wonke umfundi azakuthola idesk lokuhlala. Ngokwana iCovid-19 liye ukufunda iminyaka emithathu edluleko akhange kufundwe ngokupheleleko ngonobangela ukuqindeliswa kwamakhambo nokufunda ngokudlegana.
When some learners are at school and others are on this day or on the following days, and then others are at home, and then they will come on other days. This is a major disruption, and it does have a huge impact on the long-term development of our children.
Namhlanje kuvulwe ngokomthetho isikolo esitsha esidibeng esinensetshenziswa ezitsha nabafundi abatsha.